UW Health surprises several employees Wednesday afternoon, presenting them the Dr. Henry C. Anderson Awards. The individual award goes to the Director of Perioperative Services, Julie Paulus.
The team award goes to Swedish American Hospital's 7th floor surgical oncology staff. The honor is for those who provide over-the-top care for patients.
It really starts with safety and quality and personalized care and what it means to deliver it one person at a time, regardless of their ability to pay, regardless of their background, regardless of their disease. We're here to serve the Northern Illinois community.